Hi, and welcome to the new ArabClicks video series, How You Can Earn More with ArabClicks Coupons. This video is entitled, See Your ArabClicks Coupon Earnings. If you want to find out how to see your ArabClicks coupon payouts, including tracking coupon performance and promo code and link performance, you've come to the right place. How to check your tracking coupon earnings. First, log into ArabClicks, and in the menu on the left, click Reports, then Coupon Report. As you can see, your coupon earnings report shows you total conversions, as well as how much is your total payout, and how much of that is pending advertiser approval still. Remember, this report only shows you earnings for your tracking coupon offers and doesn't include your earnings from link-tracked offers. To see your total revenue, check your conversion report. To use the coupon report, first select the date range you want to see. You can choose from a selection of preset date ranges, or you can choose a custom date range. Even choose the particular day you want to view. Let's choose previous month. This will show you all of your last month's earnings. Now click Apply. Have a look. Your conversions are broken down by brand and then coupon code. See here how many conversions you got for each code last month, as well as how much your payout is, and again, whether it's approved or yet still pending. Got lots of coupons and need to find the specific one you're looking for? Use the handy Search Coupons feature to find all conversions that took place using the specific code you're interested in. Also, you can check your tracking coupon status by clicking the My Coupons button. Let's have a look at the different color-coded coupon statuses you might see. First, you'll see Active in green. These are coupons that are approved and live. In gray are Paused. Coupon offers that are temporarily paused, although your codes may still provide a discount. You won't be paid until the offer is back live. Also in gray are expired coupons that are no longer valid. And lastly, in red, are codes that are inactive. These are coupons that have been permanently inactivated. Want to have all your tracking code data in one convenient place? Use our handy export feature in the top corner to the right of the My Coupons button. Click to download an Excel file with all data found in your coupon report. How to check your promo code earnings. Because promo code earnings are tracked with their associated tracking links, checking earnings with promo codes is just like checking earnings from links alone. Log into ArabClicks and in the menu on the left, click Reports, then Performance and/or Conversion Report. You'll be able to see your earnings separated out by date range and offer, as well as by individual conversion and by campaign, if you've chosen to create custom tracked links for your various codes. Learn more in our videos entitled How to View and Customize Your Performance Report and How to View and Customize Your Conversion Report. I'll put links in the video description below. Thanks for watching. See your coupon earnings. Check out the rest of our series on how you can earn more with ArabClicks coupons. You'll find out what are ArabClicks coupons and how to use them, how to find, use, and earn with tracking codes, how to find and request promo codes to go with your tracking links, and how to get coupons from the ArabClicks app. Find links to all these below in the video description. And be sure to get all our new videos just as soon as they're released. Just click the red subscribe button on the right below. Thanks for watching.